big controversy right now where a lot of people think that heat pumps don't work, and that's simply just not true. If you're experiencing a heat pump that's not operating properly, most likely 90% likely that it wasn't installed properly or wasn't sized properly. A good example of a rule of thumb used to always be 500 square foot per ton, and that's kind of like a sizing rule of thumb. Well, nowadays we need to do a proper manual J heat load calculation to properly size these heat pumps based off of heating BTUs, not cooling BTUs. So big difference there. System needs to be installed properly, it needs to be engineered properly and commissioned properly, and that system will work phenomenal for you to heat your home.